What's up, everybody? It's your boy Frank the Tank from Bangin Garage on YouTube and Facebook, and we are back in beautiful Ocean City, Maryland for endless summer cruising. As usual, I'll be filming all day, doing the editing all night, and dropping you a video every day during the event. There'll be a new video Thursday morning, Friday morning, Saturday morning, and Sunday morning, and each video will give you a chance to win some Bangin Gear swag. In this video, we'll be giving away a Bangin Gears baseball cap, just like the one I'm wearing. To be eligible to win, you need to like, comment, and subscribe to Bangin Gears on YouTube, and that'll put you in the running to win the hat. Once you're subscribed on YouTube, make sure you like and comment on each of the videos this week, and that'll put you in the running to win whatever swag we're giving away in that video. There'll be 2 hats and 2 fleeces as usual, so make sure you check those out, those other videos out as well. Don't forget to check out Bangin Gears Garage on YouTube. It's a YouTube group. It's basically strictly automotive. Anything automotive, you can put it up there, no problem. You're selling something, where the shows are locally, what you're doing, pictures of your cars. If you're down here taking pictures of cars, we'd love it if you share them on the group as well. If you can't find it, you should have got a postcard in your goodie bag. If you're registered for the show, you can just scan the QR code with your cell phone, and that'll kick you over to Facebook, YouTube, or my Instagram, whichever QR code you scan. And then you can just join in and have fun at it. Okay, you also should have got a Bangin Gear sticker in your goodie bag as well if you're registered. Enjoy. Put them on your toolboxes, stick them on your car, wherever you want to do with them. Just enjoy them and have fun. If you haven't registered for the show and you want a sticker, find me or my cousin Steven. We got them in our pockets. We'll be happy to hand them out. Other than that, enjoy. The weather's been great. Enjoy the video, and we'll catch you tomorrow on Bangin Gears.